these slippers. You can make these slippers for yourself. You can make them as a gift. It's a very simple DIY, and I hope you guys will like it. And so
hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I DIY slippers or flip-flops. I will put some Ankara fabric on them, so let's get straight into the video. So here are some of the things that you will need. You need some slippers, some fabric, a ruler, a chalk, some glue. This glue is a contact adhesive commonly known as shoe glue here in South Africa, and it costs only about 10 to 15 rand. So first I cut strips of fabric. Then I fold them in half and then I iron. Then using a glue gun, I start wrapping the fabric strip onto the straps of the slippers and just gluing it down as I go along. Now for the bows, I cut 2 squares of fabric 6 by 7 inches. And then I folded it in half. Then I sewed it as I indicated there in the video. After it's dry, I put back the straps and then I just do what I did before on the first DIY.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In the notion of all this emotion.
This is podge and it makes everything become hard. So basically it makes the fabric melt into the surface. I hope you understand. So the podge just makes it stronger and tougher. So I hope you guys try out this DIY. If you do, please share the results with me. I'd love to see your creations. If you have not checked out the necklace video, please do check that out as well. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. And so see you in the next video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and show me some support. It's free, it's just a click of a button and I would really appreciate that. So see you in my next video guys. Bye.